Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Penn here, and welcome back to the channel. So on my community tab earlier, I did promise that I will present another stream of income. This is for you hustlers out there, and also for the people that's interested in getting paid to play video games. You know, you're testing games out, alphas, betas, things like that. So this is by Keyword Studios. This is GBTN. This is something that I was using back in my college days, and when I originally signed up, they kept all my information, and still to this day they send me emails and things of that nature. So I'm going to get into the opportunity and how you can be a part of it. So you see the pretty much on this banner here, you want to play games, you get paid for it. Now they're giving the opportunity for testers / gamers to play games before official release. You know, give honest feedback and talk about your experience and getting paid while doing so. So the play sessions can run throughout the year. It's across all continents. And what's great about it is that this is a work from home opportunity. What I mean by that is you're not required to go to a secret location in your city or a closed off studio where you're meeting up with these people. No, you're most likely going to be in a private chat on the Xbox platform, PlayStation Network, whether it's on PCs, Discord, for example, and you can do this in the comfort of your own home. So they are constantly growing. They've been around for a while. Somebody gave me the game for free. It was actually one of my friends from high school. And, you know, as we all, you know, transitioned to college and had our own thing going on, we were still keeping up with each other. You know, we were still friends, gaming consistently. And this was one of the opportunities that was presented to me. All the way back in 2014, 2015. You know, this is during the PS4 era is when I found out about this opportunity. So you have to be at least 18 years old, and you will have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. You have to stay focused, be able to follow some instructions, and provide detailed information in a timely manner. And also, you have to maintain professional behavior at all times. So they do have social media. You know, they're on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Once you have signed up, or if you have any questions about the sign up process, you can contact them. They make it very easy to identify them, find them, and message them so that you can be a part of this opportunity or get some more information. Okay, so don't pass up this opportunity. This can be a sort of like a gateway or an entry level into doing some product reviews for games that are not out, or you were a private beta tester, or you was testing an alpha, and then you were one of the crucial parts into providing honest feedback so that the game can be made better for other players around the world. So there's value in this. As far as the pay is concerned, you're either going to get paid. All this would be in the emails that they will send you following up. It's either going to be according to your state's minimum wage, or it's going to be set by the company itself. So this isn't like a six-figure opportunity to where you just get rich over playing some private betas or some games and then you're good to go. It's not that. This is a stepping stone to something greater. You want to use this to build your portfolio, and you want to also network, because you're going to be talking to industry people who are in the industry, who are going to be watching you, who are going to be, you know, in the lobby or the chat with you to make sure everything is going fine, and you can give them feedback. They're going to be asking you questions, and then you can be asking them, hey, I want to like review games as like you know, more in a paid atmosphere across social media on YouTube. How can I go about that? So you can start to build your network, and you can ask them questions as they're asking you questions, and then you can build your game testing portfolio privately and then transition to publicly as far as the YouTube platform. So this is a great opportunity. You can join us now, or you can register now. Of course, I'm already signed up. I signed up years ago, but you will provide your account details, your profile. I believe the cover letter is optional, but try to put some thought into this. This is a work from home opportunity. Obviously, this won't be a full-time thing, but you will get emails consistently. I will say that, and it depends on your grind. You can add this to another stream of income. This can be another form of a side hustle. You do have to sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so once you fill all this out, all you have to do is just sit back, wait, and relax, and be a part of the organization, be a part of the many beta testers that's out there that's testing these products, giving their honest feedback and talking about their experience with these various titles that's going to be soon to be released. So it's possible that you can be a part of this opportunity as well. Here's the website, playgBTN.com. The link will be in the description. And then if it's not your cup of tea, share it, because it may be somebody that's interested who may have some downtime that may want to play games and get paid for it as well. Now, I'm currently working on 2 new side hustles myself at the moment, and I'm trying to break them up into segments. So although I don't have necessarily the time frame, because I'm prioritizing now to where I will do this consistently. I did this in the past, and I want to share it on my platform so you can experience it as well. So, you have to factor in time. Time management is going to be crucial, and just show up and be professional. All right, so I'm dropping another banger later on today. It's going to be crazy. I'm just spreading the love, sharing the knowledge at the end of the day. If y'all like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share the opportunity around your social media platforms. And this is Penn signing out, y'all. Peace out. Happy gaming.